Whoa. What's for my flashlight? I don't. P. Get off me! Sounds like me in the morning. Oh gosh, get away from me! Get away! Get away! I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. Here, pretty light. Oh my gosh. Lockpick. Oh my gosh, I'm so used to E being to use things, not freaking F. Hey, I have a lot. Okay, Skyrim has taught me well. Wait, find the position. Okay, so... I'm gonna break my lockpick. I'm gonna break my lockpick! There we go. I found it. Hello? Anybody home? So this is gonna work somehow? Can I go out this way? Are you kidding me? Oh. How are they climbing up that in the rain? An alive person would struggle doing that. Okay, what am I doing? You're telling me I gotta climb back up here with this stupid cable?